Welcome. Today we'll evaluate the expression inverse tangent of 4 pi fifths. To solve this, let's first understand what the expression means. The tangent function maps angles to their tangent values on the unit circle. The inverse tangent function, or arctangent, maps tangent values back to angles, but only within its principal range of negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. Let's visualize our angle of 4 pi fifths, starting from 0 and moving counterclockwise. For pi fifths is an angle of 144 degrees, or about 2.51 radians. When we take the tangent of this angle, we get the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side on our unit circle. The tangent of 4 pi fifths is approximately negative 1.38. Now, when we take the inverse tangent of this value, we get negative 0.94 radians, or negative 54 degrees. This is because the inverse tangent function always returns an angle in the principal range between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2 that has the same tangent value. In conclusion, even though we started with an angle of 4 pi fifths, which is outside the principal range, taking its tangent, and then the inverse tangent gives us the angle in the principal range that has the same tangent value. This is why our final answer is negative 0.94 radians, or negative 54 degrees.